friends, what is up? It's Melanie, and today I'm so excited to be talking to you and styling some outfits for you. So as you saw by the title of this video, I am showing you a bunch of like winter capsule wardrobe-ish like basic pieces, outfit ideas. Basically, my thought process with this is that I am actually going abroad somewhere, so I have to condense my wardrobe down a lot. So as much as this video will help you by using like universal pieces that probably everyone has and teaching you basically how I piece together some basic outfits and like can recreate them, I will also be helping myself a lot because I'm gonna have to take advice from this video. It's gonna help me pack a lot. Also, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to Gap for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love all the clothing gifted to me that I will be styling for you guys, and you will see the quality and how cute these pieces are. I absolutely love the pieces I picked out because they're very effortlessly stylish, but they're also super comfy, and that just makes me want to wear them even more. Also, with the holiday season and gifting, they have a bunch of gift options for people, including gift cards that you can check out too. Additionally, the brand has been working really hard on their sustainability, which is another thing I love when I see a brand is doing, so it makes me want to shop there even more. Other than that, let's get straight into the outfits. I'm gonna start off by showing you like a piece and then showing you how I'm gonna style them. These are all pretty much basics, so the ideas are basically endless when it comes to like swapping out pieces to make a bunch of outfits with them. So grabbing from the top of the pile, these sweatpants. First off, I really like the color and I love how comfy they are. These sweatpants are awesome because they're kind of like joggers, so you can definitely dress them up or down. They come in a variety of colors, which I absolutely love because I want to get more of them. And I think they just fit so well. They're so comfy, so I can wear them as pajamas, but then I can also double up and wear them out. I think that joggers are great because you could style them kind of like streetwear-esque with a graphic or a hoodie, something like cozy, but you still look effortlessly put together. But I also think if you wear a tighter top, just because joggers are typically a bit looser, and then usually I wear sneakers, and then with that, if you wear like a puffer or any kind of nice coat over it, I think it makes a nice outfit. Also, before getting too far into this, I wanted to shout out that Gap is having a huge sale. The Great Gap sale is from December 29th through January 4th. You can get an extra 50% off markdowns for up to 70% off, which is insane, with the code GREAT in all capitals. And then on top of that, you can also get an extra 30% off all regular price items, and that one is with the code add-on in all caps. I'll put them both up. Restrictions may apply, but I'll also have the codes and like the description of the sale written out down below in case you forgot. I forget things, so no worries. Nextly, okay, corduroy. I've been in love with corduroy, and also I've been in love with button-ups. I think that these long sleeves are thick enough that they can be coats if you like layer them, but I also love that you could wear them as just like a button-up shirt basically, or kind of like the replace cardigan, if that makes sense. So I like it so much that I got one in cream as well as this kind of like charcoaly black one. I love the texture because it means you can like layer it on top of white cream pants or black pants, and it doesn't look like your whole outfit like mushes together into a sweatsuit. I think that these look amazing layered over like a hoodie, so you have the hood hanging out and then it's warmer. It's almost like a jacket. I also think these look great unbuttoned or buttoned up over a tank top. It's so simple, but you look put together, especially with like some accessories slapped on. Of course, the wide leg jeans, always the wide leg jeans. And then also something I've been loving a lot recently, especially with these, but also any kind of button up, is wearing it over a turtleneck, and I think that's great for the winter. Next off, t-shirts. Okay, like t-shirts, duh, they're always around, but something about this color combo, a big oversized pocketed tee I love. I've just been really into these super wide stripes, especially like on sweaters, but also on t-shirts. And the way I think I would style this, and I know it's just a t-shirt, but I was really excited for this item. I think I would wear it over white long sleeve. I really like it when I see those shirts that come already layered over a shirt, but then obviously like you can do it yourself too. Even if you layer this over a hoodie, I think it also looks pretty cool. And then layering with a lot of jewelry. It's just a great way to wear t-shirts during the winter too, because a lot of times I'm like, it's way too cold for me to just throw on a graphic tee and jeans. But with this little hack, you know, you can just put it on top of like a long sleeve and then bam, you want a long sleeve. Piggybacking off of that, turtlenecks are also a fabulous layering piece. I have this one. It's nice and thin and super soft, which is perfect for layering. Of course, you could wear it on its own too and you look super sleek and classy. This one's kind of like a sand-ish color, I would say. I'm sure you guys have seen this everywhere. Literally anything you're wearing, slap a oh my gosh, slap a turtleneck on underneath it, and I swear it elevates it so much, because I don't know, I love it when I see people layering. I'm like, oh, that extra step like takes your outfit there, especially under crew necks and sweaters. I really love how it looks. As I said, you could also wear it on its own or under like a dress, a tank top, a t-shirt, but the way I'm seeing this one is definitely with just some wide leg jeans and then probably like cute little booties, or if you're going for more of a street style, then like sneakers or something. These are necessities. Also wanted to mention that if you want to check out any of these items, of course they're all going to be linked below, so make sure to shop all the products in my description. Next item, okay, like the basic hoodie. These never go out of style. Well, you can probably see from this entire haul, but I love baggy stuff. I get like everything baggy, so this hoodie is like in a large, but I love this color. I don't even know what it's called. It's kind of like a muted dusty mauve, maybe. Love this, and hoodies are amazing for layering, as I've mentioned with like every piece I've shown you, but you could definitely put a t-shirt over this, even a crew neck if you're freezing. But I also just think hoodies look really good under like a plain puffer. If you're going for that all like kind of street style super baggy fit, which I feel like I usually do when I wear a hoodie, I will wear baggy jeans, some type of like sneakers, usually platform sneakers or something, and then a big puffer on top, and then it keeps me nice and cozy and warm. I also think this looks really cute if you put your hair in either a baseball cap or like a little like those little tiny baby beanies, you know, that have been really cool. So that's probably how I'd wear this, but honestly 80% of the time I think I'd be just wearing this like chilling in my house, you know, like in my hoodies right now. I just love hoodies, like you never get sick of them. Okay, and then the last item, honestly Gap has an amazing puffer selection. I had a very difficult time choosing, but this item I'm like in love with. First off, it's very practical because like it has these little things so you can like scrunch the hood in. I probably showed you that so bad. You can also zip the hood off, which I love it when you're able to do that, because then it's basically two different pieces of clothing, which is awesome. I didn't realize you really need hoods, especially when you curl your hair like this, so this thing comes through. And then this one is pretty like big and oversized, which I've been seeing a lot. It's really interesting because I feel like the really mini cropped ones are really trendy, but so are the really oversized ones. So I like both of them, of course, but this is like the perfect oversized one. It's like naturally oversized, so even though I got this in a small, it's big. It's also from recycled material, which is freaking awesome. But yeah, they have awesome like puffer, a variety of like every length, every level of puffiness, every color. So be sure to check those out. I've been into monochrome for a really long time. I think like if I can't come up with an outfit, I just look for the same color in my wardrobe, and then I'll wear like the same color t-shirt with the same color like jacket or something, and usually it turns out okay. Going along with that, I actually do think that I would wear somewhat of a monochrome like outfit with this. It's kind of like a champagne-ish color, but I think it would look really cool on top of like an all white outfit probably. So I think I'd wear this with white pair of jeans and then like a white top. These also look really cool. Obviously, like, if it's not super cold, I think they look really cool by themselves too, or on top of like tanks or t-shirts. But it's actually like snowing, and actually they're called flurries. It's been flurrying here in Seattle, so it's really cold, so I will not be doing that. You can also just throw this on top of any like hoodie and it literally like looks good, so I love that. But back to my outfit idea, it would definitely be all white, like a little snowflake. I would look like the little Michelin man or like a snowman. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed those outfits. I think I've mentioned this a couple times, but a concept I try to go off of is kind of having like uniforms in mind. I heard this somewhere and it's just stuck with me, but if you have simple layouts of outfits that you can just swap pieces out with, it makes it so much easier to put together an outfit, and you can do it much faster. So these are the outfit uniforms I'll be using this winter, and hopefully this video helped you guys out. Make sure to check out Gap for their great sale, and check out the links below if you want to shop any of the items I showed in this video or any of the other ones that I've mentioned. They have great winter items and a lot of great stuff on sale. But thank you guys so much for for watching. Make sure to stay tuned, click the subscribe button, comment down below, and say hi. So I love saying hi to you guys. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.